नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आपका सभी को अपने चैनल जी के जीएस मिशन में स्वागत करता हूँ। चलिए आज हम लोग पॉलिटिक्स का 100 क्वेश्चन करने वाले हैं। ये वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट है, ये एग्ज़ाम में आया हुआ है। चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हु इज़ द नोन एज द फादर ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? आंसर डॉक्टर B.R. अम्बेडकर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, हाउ मेनी फंडामेंटल राइट्स आर मेंशन इन इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? आंसर 6। Question 3, how many fundamental duties are mentioned in Indian Constitution? Answer 11. Question 4, who proposed the preamble before the drafting committee of the Constitution? Answer Jawaharlal Nehru. Question 5, the correct nomenclature of India according to the preamble? Answer Sovereign Socialist Secular Democratic Republic. Question 6, the Indian Constitution is regarded in which form? Answer federal in form and unity in spirit. Question 7, which article cannot be suspended even during emergency? Answer Article 20 and Article 21. Question 8, if the president rule is imposed in a state, it means that a state is ruled by? Answer governor of the state. What is the constitutional name of the country? Answer India, that is Bharat. Question 10, Indian Constitution borrowed the scheme of Indian Federation from the constitution of which country? Answer Canada. Question 11, which rights were described by B.R. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of constitution? Answer right to constitutional remedy. Question 12, parliamentary form of government is taken from constitution of which country? Answer Britain. Question 13, in India, how many times national emergency has been declared? Answer 3, in 1962, 1971 and 1975. Question 14, fundamental rights is taken from the constitution of which country? Answer USA. Question 15, the Indian Constitution has been borrowed the idea of preamble from which country? Answer Constitution of USA. Question 16, who administered the oath of the President of India? Answer Chief Justice of India. Question 17, under which article President of India can proclaim financial emergency? Answer Article 360. Question 18, in Indian Constitution, right to constitutional remedy comes under? Answer fundamental rights. Question 19, in Indian Constitution, citizenship provision are enriched in? Answer Part 2, Article 5 से लेकर 11 तक. Question 20, in Indian Constitution, the method of election of president has been taken from which country? Answer Ireland. Question 21, what is the minimum permissible age for the employment in any factory or mine? Answer 14th year. Question 22, directive principle is taken from the constitution of which country? Answer Irish constitution. It means Ireland. Question 23, suspension of fundamental during emergency is taken from the constitution of which country? Answer Germany. Question 24, concurrent list is taken from the constitution of which country? Answer Australian constitution. Question 25, from which country constitution of India has adopted fundamental duties? Answer USSR, now Russia. Question 26, which article describes the person voluntarily acquiring citizenship of a foreigner state no longer to be a citizen of India? Answer Article 9. Question 27, from which country Constitution of India has taken the rule of law? Answer Britain. Question 28, who was the chairman of the drafting committee of India Constitution? Answer Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question 29, who is the chairman of Niti Aayog? Answer Prime Minister. Question 30. Who is the first law officer of the country? Answer Attorney General. Question 31. On which date India became a sovereign democratic and republic? Answer 26 January 1950. Question 32. Which Constitutional Amendment Act deal with the disqualification of MPs and MLAs? Answer 52nd Amendment Act. Question 33. Who has the right to decide whether a bill is money bill or not? Answer Speaker of Lok Sabha. Question 34. Who was responsible for the integration of princely state into the Indian Union after independence? Answer Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question 35. Which type of democracy do we follow in India? Answer representative. Question 36. Who appoints the governor of a state in India? Answer President of India. Question 37. How many constitutional amendment of Constitution of India has been made so far? Answer 122. Question 38. How many members of upper house can be nominated by President? Answer 12. Question number 39. How many types of rights are there in Indian Constitution? Answer 5. Question 40. In the 42 Amendment 1976, which word was added to the preamble? Answer secular. And question number 41. What are the constituent of Indian Parliament? Answer the President, the Council of State, that is Raj Sabha, the House of People, that is Lok Sabha. Question 42. By which article untouchability is abolished and its practice is punishable? Answer Article 17. Question 43. Which part of Constitution deals with the directive principle of data state policy? Answer Part 4. Question 44. Niti Aayog has been formed to replace which institution? Answer Planning Commission. Under which Question 45. Under which articles President of India can proclaim constitutional emergency? Answer Article 56. Question 46. Who is the Supreme Commander of Indian Defence Force? Answer President of India. Question 47. What is the minimum age required to become Vice President of India? Answer 35 years. Question 48. Which article of Indian Constitution has a provision for national emergency? Answer Article 352. Question number 49. The President rule is imposed for the period of? Answer 6 months. Question 50. Fundamental right to property has been deleted by which act? Answer 44th Amendment Act. Question 51. The term of office of the Vice President of India is? Answer 5 years. Question 52. Right to privacy comes under which article? Answer Article 21. Question 53. Indian Constitution recognizes minority on the basis of religion. Answer religion. Question 54. National income of India is complied by? Answer centralized statistical organization. Question 55. Who was the constitutional advisor of the Constitution Assembly of India? Answer B.N. Rao. Question 56. The inspiration of liberty, equality and fraternity was derived from? Answer French Revolution. Question 57. Which amendment is also known as the mini Constitution of India? Answer 42 Amendment. Question 58. By whom recommendation fundamental duties has been added in the Constitution? Why Second Amendment Act in 1976? Answer Swaraj Singh Committee. Question 58. Who are the member of Raj Sabha elected? Answer by elected member of Legislative Assembly. Question 59. 60. Respect for the national flag and national anthem is fundamental. Anthem is answer fundamental duties of every citizen. Question 61. Indian citizenship is granted by? Answer the Ministry of Home Affairs. Question 62. What is the liberty meaning of the term quo warranto? Answer by what authority or warrant? Question 63. What is the minimum age limit for the member of Vidhan Parshad? Answer 30 years. Question 64. Who is the executive head of State of India? President. Question 65. Which is the largest committee in Parliament of India? Answer Estimate Committee. Question 66. Anti-defection law is given in which schedule of Indian Constitution? Answer 10th schedule. Question 67. The minimum number of the member that must be present to hold the meeting of Lok Sabha? Answer 1/10 of the total membership. Question 68. What is the minimum age of becoming a governor of a state in India? Answer 35 years. Question 69. Fundamental duties are mentioned in which of the following part of Indian Constitution? Answer part 4A. Question 70. President is a member of which house of country? Answer neither of two. Question 21. The Speaker of Lok Sabha can be removed from his office by? Answer a resolution passed by the Lok Sabha. Question 22. What is the term of governor? Answer 5 years. Question 73. Which Constitutional Amendment Act deal with elementary education as fundamental right? Answer 86th Amendment Act. Question 74. The Speaker of Lok Sabha addressed his letter of resignation of the? Answer Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha. Question 75. Who was the first Viceroy of India? Answer Lord Canning. Question 76. Which act made the Indian legislative bicameral? Answer Government of India Act 1919. Question 76. Appointment of all Indian service are made by? President. Question 28. Which article of Indian Constitution prescribe Hindi is Devanagari script as the official language of the Union? Answer 343. Question number 29. Who was the first woman Speaker of Lok Sabha? Answer Meera Kumari. Question 80. Which article of Indian Constitution deals with the right to equality before law? Answer Article 14. Question 81. Who appoints the Finance Commission of India? Answer President of India. Which rights has been removed from the fundamental right and converted to a simple legal right? Answer right to poverty. Question 83. When the office of President and Vice President fall vacant simultaneously, who act as a President? Answer Chief Justice of India. Question 84. The judiciary power of legislation under India Constitution reset with? Answer Parliament. Question 85. The President can dismiss a member of Council of Ministers on the recommendation of? Answer Prime Minister. Question 86. Indian Constitution can be amended and according to procedure laid down in which articles? Answer Article 368. Question number 87. Protection of the integrated and the minority are envisaged in which article? Answer Article 29. Question number 88. The provision of Constituency Fund of India as well as each state has been made under? Answer Article 267. Question number 89. Who discussed the dispute regarding disqualification of member of parliament? Answer the President in the consultation with the Election Commission. Question number 90. Right to constitutional remedy comes under? Fundamental rights. Answer fundamental rights. Question number 91. Chairman of Public Accounts Committee of the Parliament is appointed by? Answer Speaker of Lok Sabha. According to the Indian Constitution, who has power to declare emergency? Answer President. Question number 93. Which act introduced separate electorate commonly representative for Muslim? Act. Answer Act of 1992. Act of 909. Question number 94. Who is the chairman of National Disaster Management Authority, MDMA? Answer, Prime Minister of India. Question number 95. The word secular was added to the preamble of the Constitution in India by which constitutional amendment? Answer, 42 amendment, constitutional amendment. Question number 96. Part 4. The Constitution of India deals with? Answer, directive principle of the state policy. Question number 97. Which state first adopted the Panchayati Raj in India in 1959? Answer, Rajasthan. Question number 98. Who is the first government chief minister of India? Answer, Sucheta Kripalani. Question number 99. Who is the first governor of India? Answer, Sarojini Naidu. Question number 100. Total number of standing committee in India Parliament? 45. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई चैनल। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो दोस्तों के पास शेयर कीजिए और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू।